In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics, user story, bug, and task in JIRA. We'll go through the process in a simple and practical way so you can quickly create the right type of work item for your project. Whether you are organizing a large feature as an epic, writing a user story, reporting a bug, or adding a task, the creation flow is very similar in JIRA. To begin, go to your JIRA project and click on Create. This opens the issue creation window, which is where you'll enter all the details for the item you want to add. This is the starting point for creating any of these work types, so once you know this screen, the process becomes very easy to repeat. Next, click on Work Type. This field lets you choose what kind of item you want to create. It's important to choose the correct type here, because each one serves a different purpose in project tracking. An epic is typically used for a large body of work. A story is usually a user-focused requirement. A bug is used to report something that is not working correctly, and a task is often used for general work that needs to be completed. After opening the work type menu, select the option you need from epic, story, bug, or task. Take a moment to choose carefully, because this helps your team keep work properly organized and easier to manage later in the backlog or board view. Once you've selected the work type, enter the summary. The summary should be short, clear, and specific. Think of it as the title of the issue. A good summary makes it easier for anyone on the team to understand the purpose of the item at a glance. Then, enter the description. This is where you provide more detail about the work. You can explain what needs to be done, what problem was found, or what outcome is expected. The more clearly this section is written, the easier it will be for teammates to take action without needing extra clarification. After that, enter any other information required on the form. Depending on your JIRA setup, this may include fields such as priority, assignee, labels, due dates, or other project-specific details. Filling these in carefully helps improve visibility, planning, and workflow accuracy. Finally, click on Create to save the issue. Once you do that, your epic, story, bug, or task will be added to the project and will be ready for tracking and collaboration. That's it. As you can see, creating different work items in JIRA is a straightforward process once you know where to click and what information to include.